Only you can make your home less cluttered. Yeah, you. Hello, I'm Judi the Organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So the reason why I'm even doing this video is because I understand that a lot of us are buying things. Online shopping is rampant right now. So that means we are potentially buying too much stuff for our space. So in today's video, I will be giving you and showing you ways, 7 ways, on how you can make your home appear less cluttered. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. Okay. So the first way to make your home appear less cluttered is to clear off your countertops. That means your countertops need to be as bare and as clear as possible. So the reason why this is true, is because when your countertops are clear, it automatically creates a more clear and more clutter-free space. It's just the visual. Your space just looks cleaner, it looks clear, it looks larger, and it's all just because your countertops are clear. So let's say, for instance, you have to have things on your countertops, like small appliances. I would suggest creating a designated spot for all of your small appliances, especially the appliances you use on a daily basis, and only keep them there. As long as the rest of your countertop is clear and bare, your space will still appear organized. I myself have a designated space for all of the small appliances we use on a daily basis, and I really love it. I do have a small kitchen, so my countertop is limited, but for the most part, I try to keep my countertops extremely bare, or as clear as possible, let me say that. And because I do that, I feel like it makes my kitchen look a teeny bit larger, just a teeny bit, teeny. So the next way to make your home appear more organized is to have one of everything. I repeat, for those in the back, have one of everything. You don't need multiples, you don't need doubles, you don't need triples. You just need one, and it has to be a good quality one for you to really use it and for you to keep it. So yes, have one can opener. If you find a much better can opener that maybe has more functions, then maybe buy that, but just make sure you get rid of the one that you already have. It makes no sense to have 2, 3, 4 of the same products in your home. All that's doing is just creating more clutter, thus making your space appear more cluttered. But if you get rid of all your multiples and only keep that one, that means that you have less stuff, therefore your space will appear less cluttered and actually be less cluttered. Not even just appear, but it will be less cluttered. The next thing on my list is to have less wall art. I know many of us love to style and create our homes. Trust me, I do. And your girl loves a good wall art. But the more wall art, the more stuff you have on a wall, the more enclosed and kind of claustrophobic your space feels, thus it looks more cluttered. So when you're adding wall art to your walls, it's very important that you add or create negative space. So as long as you create negative space amongst a group of wall art, or as long as you keep your wall art at a minimal, your home is more likely to look less cluttered. Trust me on that. I feel like I keep saying trust me. Do you trust me? I trust me. So the next way to make your home appear less cluttered is to have less home decor. Again, we love to style our homes, we love to curate our homes, and a lot of times that means we have a lot of home accessories to do so. But home accessories, again, creates more cluttered in a space, especially if a lot of your home accessories are trinkets or collectibles. Those small little items make our space look more cluttered because that's a lot of things in one surface area. So you should definitely consider only keeping the items that you actually love, that look nice, that also make your home look updated or more polished. So when it comes to your home decor, again, just have less of it. Less is more, as I've already said. It's true. The less stuff you have, the less your home appears cluttered. It's just the truth, guys. Don't kill the messenger. Another way to make your home appear less cluttered is to have clear floors. Having bare floors is so important, especially if we're talking about a small space. when you have less stuff on your floor, it gives your space the illusion that it's larger, that it's cleaner, that it's more organized. So if you're someone who has shoes on the floor, adding a shoe organizer or a shoe rack will take them off the floor and automatically make your space appear bigger, larger, clearer, and cleaner. So if you were to take anything from this video, you should definitely consider clearing off your floor, making them as bare as you can, so that it at least gives your space the illusion that it's less cluttered, that it's more organized, cleaner, and larger as well. So the sixth way to make your home appear less cluttered is to have less furniture. There is no reason why we need 4 couches in one space. There's no reason why we need 3 tables in one space, unless your space is large. But if we're working in a medium-sized to small space, having less furniture in that space is going to give the illusion that it's larger, that it's clearer, that it's less cluttered, most importantly. The last but not least way to make your home appear less cluttered is to make your bed. Honestly, a made-up bed just sets the precedence for the day, for the space. It just makes it look larger, it makes it look clean, and it makes it look less cluttered. I know for some of us, making the bed is very difficult. Trust me, I have those issues sometimes. But once I make my bed, when it's all made up, every time I walk into my bedroom throughout the day, I feel so much better. My space feels breathable, it feels airy, and it just feels less cluttered. So definitely try your best, if not anything, try your best to make your bed every morning and just see how you feel. That's pretty much it, guys. These are 7 ways to make your home appear less cluttered. There are so many other ways you can make your home appear less cluttered, but these are some easy things you can adapt in your life right now to make your space appear less cluttered, especially if you have a small to medium-sized home. So let me know in the comment section below which of the 7 ways I mentioned today have you already used in your home that have made a difference in your home. Let me know below. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know why I'm always singing, guys. Help me, help a girl out. All right, so you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.